Capital One can close an account with or without the account holder's consent. The bank may make this decision for several reasons. One common reason is bounced payments, which occur when recurring payments are consistently declined due to insufficient funds in the debit account. This can cause the account to be flagged and eventually closed without notice. Late and default payments are another reason for account closure. When an account holder fails to make timely payments, particularly if they are more than 180 days overdue, it can lead to the account being shut down. Additionally, suspicious activity, such as unusual transactions, can prompt Capital One to close an account. Examples of such activity include money laundering, fraud, and illegal transfers. These are the primary reasons why a Capital One account may be closed.